So in this video, I want to show you how easy it is to use AI to create your social media posts. And what's cool about this is not only can you use AI to write the posts, you can also use it to create the images. And also we can post our social media posts at some point in the future by schedule them, or we can do them right in the moment. So all we do is we go to new post, create new post. It's going to open up a screen and ask us, what do we want to send our post to? I've got Google Business Profile, I've got Facebook pages, I've got Instagram. So I'm just going to choose a few. There's TikTok, there's YouTube. So lots of different Facebook pages, Instagram pages, of course, LinkedIn as well. So I'm just going to choose a bunch. There's my YouTube. So let's just actually, for the purpose and speed of this, I'm just going to choose a couple of different Facebook locations, but I could actually have more than one social media channel. It could go all over the place. I'm going to use AI to generate this post. What am I going to talk about? I'm going to talk about how hypnotherapy can help to reduce anxiety. All right, so that's just the title, and I'm gonna it just needs brief content in order for it to be able to write the post. So Richard Barker, the incredible hypnotist, can help remove and release and reduce anxiety using hypnosis. Make sure you hire the best for a worry-free life. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of content, and then here's what's really cool. We're going to add some keywords. Add some keywords here. So one is I'm going to add my name. I'm going to add my tagline, which is incredible hypnotist. Let's add anxiety. And let's just add one more, hypnotherapy. All right, and let's just see what it does. We choose our writing tone: funny, casual, excited, professional, witty, sarcastic, feminine, masculine, bold, dramatic, grumpy, secretive, respectful, and persuasive. Let's just go with persuasive, see what that does. Number of variations, so that's the number of different things it's going to write. Let's just go 3. Let's make the post medium. We don't want it too short, we don't want it too long. Let's go medium, and let's just click on generate. See what it does. And we gave it some really basic information. I mean, we really didn't give it much to work with. And so let's see what it can come up with. And here we are. It's used the keywords, it's used the description, it's used the title, and it has created 3 really good Facebook posts. It's used emojis. So struggling with anxiety, discover the power of hypnotherapy. Are you constantly battling with anxiety that seems to hold you back? Richard Barker, the incredible hypnotist, and on it goes. It's included hashtags. Here's another one. Are you ready? Now, what you would do is obviously you would spend time reading all this, but I can already tell this one here in the middle is awesome. So I'm going to copy that. It copies it over here. And now if I want to, I can edit the content. So let's now have a look at this. Are you ready to break free from the chains of anxiety? Meet Richard Parker, the incredible hypnotist, who is unlocking the path to a worry-free life through the transformative power of hypnotherapy. So far, so good. Anxiety can feel like an uninvited guest that overstays its welcome, but what if you could show it the door? Richard Parker specializes in helping individuals, just like you, release and reduce the... Yeah, good. Imagine a life where it's better. Don't let anxiety dictate. I mean, this is amazing. Say yes to peace. Embrace change with hypnotherapy. I'm going to change this to click the link. The link to get started, because you deserve an existence filled with calmness and joy. Yeah, nice. Just take this space out. The hashtags are good. So I like this. I'm going to continue. You can preview the post. Amazing. And very quickly, it's created an awesome post. I don't want this phone emoji, so I can still take that out. Click the link. So I am actually going to grab a link real quick from my perfect hypnotherapy funnel. I'm going to come back and paste the link in here. There's the link. Now, because I pasted the link, it's automatically going to generate this image. Book a call with Richard Barker. So on the right-hand side, you can see what the post looks like. It's a preview of the post. I don't want the preview. I just want the link. And what I'm actually going to do is use a follow-up comment. So this will be posted as the first comment on this post. Get in touch. Paste the link again. So now I already know that I've automatically got one comment. It's going to be on the Facebook feed. Now all this needs, because I removed the preview, is I am going to create an image. Now what I could do is upload an image from my media library, and I have lots of different images here where I could basically choose one of my own images. But what I could do is I could go to a stock image library like Pixabay and type in anxiety. I don't know. Yeah, there's plenty of anxiety things in here. And yeah, I can choose one of these images if I wanted to, of which there are many. I can look at Unsplash for anxiety, so worry less. I could actually probably use one of these. I like one of these. But if I wanted to just come out of there, I could have AI create the image, create image using AI, describe your image, show a woman with anxiety. I don't know what it's going to do to interpret anxiety, but this is AI. So let's see if we can have this photo realistic, generate. Now, what's good about this? It's going to be a unique image that nobody will be able to find anywhere else. It's not a stock photo. It's not something else that somebody potentially could use on the internet. This really is a complete unique image. This one's not bad. Yeah, I guess maybe anxiety, maybe not. And you would just you would tweak this. And if you wanted to use one of those images, it's obviously easy to do. What I'm going to do, I did like that anxiety one that I found on Unsplash. Type in woman with anxiety, or of course it could be a man. There, I like this one. I'm going to use that. So all I'm going to do is import it into my media library, and this way, if should ever Pixabay or Unsplash remove this link, then I know that I've already now got a copy of this sitting on my own file. So it's not going to be linked to Pixabay or Unsplash. It's actually already in my library and stays in my library. So that way, if the link breaks for whatever reason, I still got the image. So I think this looks great. And look at that. It took moments, didn't take long at all. I can literally post now, or I can schedule it out into the future with a time and a date. Here's another thing I want to show you real quick that's cool. I could actually make this post reoccurring. So every 3 months, this posts. And that's actually what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on month because people don't know what you posted a week ago. And if you have really good content, why not keep using the old posts, especially if it's as good as this? All right, hit schedule. And there we go. Every 3 months, this post is going to go out. It's going to schedule, and it's already told me that it's going to go 5 times because every 3 months between January the 24th and February the 28th. So the first post is going out today at 10:37. So that's in 10 minutes. All right. So now that we're back, we can see in the social planner that it actually posted the posts. We can see in here it says published, and you can see the Facebook channels that actually posted to, which is really awesome. And if we click on the three dots, we're able to preview and actually see live on Facebook our post. And look at how good this is. This is actually sitting already 4 minutes ago, posted on my Facebook page. I think this is awesome. It posted the link. And of course, remember I did that follow-up comment? It's posted the follow-up comment right there as well. It's always good to do that because you've already got like one engagement immediately out the gate where your post has already received a comment. And we can see, of course, if we click on it as well, the previews, we can see the likes, the shares, the comments. We can actually preview the post right on Facebook, which is what I already did. You can see the post just in the little preview window right there. The preview link just goes off to Facebook. I already showed you that one. Super, super cool. And now if we go to content, you can see under recurring, we can see when is our next one due out. It's going to go out every third month. So one of our areas, we can see all the posts that are going to go out on that page 3 months from now. So January to February, February to March, March to April. And we can see that there's the next one that's going to go out 11:37 a.m. It's going to go out on the 24th of April because that is 3 months into the future. How awesome is that? That you can see that every 3 months, April to May, May to June, June to July, it's going to be scheduling July's again. And of course, there it is. It's scheduled July's. And we can just click into there and we'd be able to see that it's scheduled. Super cool. And that is how you schedule posts every couple of months. That is how easy you're able to write a post using the planner, and how effective it is. Of course, it appears right there on your Facebook. So hope you found this useful, and we'll talk to you soon.